Hey guys, so it's Asha Washington. So in today's video, I have a cleaning hack. So if you're a mom and you are just cleaning, looking to save some money, this will be a great hack for you. Here's what I have to show you. I'm not sure if you already found this in Dollar Tree, but I was in Dollar Tree the other day and I saw this and I'm like, I have to have it. This is Pine Glow, watermelon scent. So I thought that was great. I said, ooh, I need to try this. I usually get the yellow one, so I'm like, okay, let me try something different. And then also it's pink. So for 50 fluid ounces, it's $1.25. And I'm like, yes, it's a no-brainer. Why not? So this is all-purpose cleaner deodorizer. I love it, all-purpose. So it's not just for your kitchen, not just for the bathroom. And it's made in the USA. Right there, made in the USA. Our little flag. American flag. Little watermelon. I'm not going to smell it like the pine sol lady. I'm not going to do that. But here's a little hack. So if you've already tried this other all-purpose cleaner, this one is empty. So I have that in my vlog where I said I was going to go get some more. But I said, hey, this may be a hack. So this is 32 fluid ounces. This is Cherry Blossom. This is the LA's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Cleaner and Degreaser plus Spot Remover. And I said, oh, okay. I love it. The spray bottle's good, everything like that. Obviously, I've loved it so much, it's almost gone. It has a little corner left. But instead of me buying another one of these and having another bottle in the house, I thought I can save on a bottle. And here's a hack. Refill it with this. So I'm going to refill this with this. I'm going to refill this with this. This with this. Okay. So I'm literally going to pour this into this bottle, off camera, and go ahead and use that. So it literally looks like the exact same color. So I'm like, is this real? I'm going to try it. So anyway. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell, and let's become YouTube besties. So it's Asha Washington. It's been a pleasure to share our time together. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.